Time to learn one new thing.
Every World Cup match can be changed by one small piece of colored plastic. It's called a card, and it can send a player off the field completely, but not all cards mean the same thing. Referees use cards to control bad or dangerous behavior during a match. There are only two colors, and each one sends a different message. A yellow card is a warning. A red card means the player is sent off immediately. A player gets a yellow card for things like a rough tackle or arguing with the referee. One yellow card just means the player has to be more careful. But if that same player earns a second yellow card in the same game, something bigger happens. Two yellow cards in one match automatically turn into a red card. A red card means the player must leave the field right away. Their team has to continue the match with one fewer player for the rest of the game. A referee can also give a straight red card for very serious fouls, skipping the yellow card completely. Here's the surprising part. A red card doesn't just end that player's day. In many tournaments, that player also misses the team's next match. That's why players and coaches treat every yellow card as a serious warning sign. One small card can completely change the outcome of a World Cup match. So next time you watch a match, you'll know exactly what those colors mean. Yellow is a warning. Red is game over for that player. If you want to learn one new thing tomorrow, I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends so they can learn one new thing too.